So what if I told you you can get a new social media employee for your business that works 24/7 without taking any days off? Well guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start growing on social media without doing any of the work yourself. And that's because I'm now using York AI, a brand new social media AI agent that can help discover trends, write posts, schedule content, and discover new opportunities for your business completely on autopilot. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually set up York AI for your business, some of its best use cases, and how you can leverage it to begin growing on social media and land more customers. It doesn't really matter if you're a content creator, a business owner, an online coach, or are just someone who wants to grow on social media. York AI is super cool and powerful. You guys are really going to enjoy this one. Let's get to it. So guys, we all know that social media marketing can be incredibly powerful. After all, social media can help you reach more customers, generate sales, find new brands to partner with, and it's also an amazing way to build trust with your audience over time. But let's face it guys, keeping up with regular social media posting can be absolutely exhausting. But the thing is, if you're not consistently posting on social media and you're not following the right trends, then you could be doing a lot of work without getting any of the results you actually want to get. And that's why when I saw York AI, I knew that I had to try it out. And so York AI is a brand new AI agent that's basically a social media employee for your business. You can give it tasks, have it create and schedule posts, and basically use it as a 24/7 social media marketing expert that works all the time, even when you're sleeping. Now, I've started playing around with York AI for my own content businesses and different social media platforms, and guys, it's a ton of fun. It is super versatile, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can use it as well to start growing on social media and to promote your own business. Now, in terms of getting started, guys, actually creating an account with York AI is super simple. In fact, you can even get free access right now, and I'll be linking York AI down below in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check them out. But in order to sign up for York AI, you actually have to get an access code. To do this, just head over to York AI's website and click the Get Free Beta Access button. This will bring you to York AI's Discord server. Next, just go to the dedicated Get Invitation Code channel to instantly receive your unique invite code. And from there, you choose the email you want to create your York AI account with. Once you do that, York AI then asks for your brand website, and that's because York AI actually scans your content to start understanding your tone and positioning right out of the gate, which I absolutely love. Now, personally, I'm using York AI to help run my social media accounts for thebudgetdiet.com, which is one of my main blogging content businesses that I've been running for years. And what's super cool is that once I give York AI my website, it compiles a pretty comprehensive overview of my brand. This includes the kind of content I create, my brand voice, my target audience, and how I position my brand overall. And so again, this really highlights the fact that York AI is kind of like a smart AI agent employee for your business. And so it's actually using the data you give it to understand your business, your goals, your target audience, and it adjusts over time as it learns more about you and your business. But if you don't have a website, don't worry, you can still start using York AI to run your social media accounts on autopilot. And that's because you can also connect your social accounts to York AI, like your X account, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And again, once you connect a social account to York AI, it actually scans that account to again learn as much about your tone and branding as possible. It also audits the past performance of your content, already starting to look for strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities ahead, which is pretty cool. Anyways, I decided to connect my X account to York AI because I've had this account for years. I used to post a lot more on it. It has a couple thousand followers, but honestly, I've kind of dropped the ball, and I think it's a missed opportunity that I would love York AI to handle for me. And once you're set up and once you actually connect your main accounts to York AI, that's where the magic happens. That's where the fun begins. So let me hop into my account again, and I'll show you guys some of the best use cases of York AI. So guys, one of my favorite features of York AI, and the main reason I think people should be using it, is that it can actually create and schedule posts for you across your different social media platforms. And really coming up with content ideas and actually scheduling and posting them is by far one of the most time-consuming aspects of running a social media account. But the thing is, as York AI actually understands your business and your target audience and the niche you're in, it will start coming up with content suggestions for you, which is absolutely awesome. Plus, you can also just tell York AI to come up with content ideas for you and create social media posts that are ready to go live. For example, I told York AI to come up with an image post for my X account. It then came up with a couple of content angles based on ongoing trends and the kind of content it thought would perform well on my profile. York AI then creates 3 different drafts for potential content pieces for me to approve. I picked this one about saving money on groceries without relying on coupons, and York AI then drafted the post for me in seconds. It then generated a relevant image to include with the post and even found a piece of relevant content to link to from the budget diet. And guys, again, this part is actually insane because doing all of this yourself would take so much time, but York AI actually found a monetization monetized piece of content on my website, came up with topics that were on trend and made the entire post for me, including an image, so it's basically ready to post. What's also nice is that you preview everything before it goes live and just have to hit approve. This takes a split second, but you're still in control if you want to be, so you still know what content is going live. And so again, this kind of feels like you're upgrading yourself to manager. You're just approving content. You're not actually spending hours creating all of this stuff. And again, York AI can do all of this for you just with basic prompting and in a matter of minutes. It's honestly very impressive. Now that's the gist of how you can use York AI to start creating content, but another use case and feature of York AI that I really like is actually its content calendar feature. And so what's cool is that as you build out content with York AI, you can find all of it in the calendar tab within York AI's dashboard. And I'll show you guys my calendar here, and you can see that I've planned out quite a few posts for the month ahead. So my X account will now have regular postings to start beefing up my engagement a little bit. You'll also notice that I've scheduled daily morning briefs and weekly briefs to basically send me updates and reports about my account, engagement numbers, and interesting trends going on within my niche. And so if you kind of want this top-down view of your different social profiles and what content is actually going out and how you're doing, this kind of top-down view is so useful. It's also way better than trying to juggle all of this information inside of your brain, and if you're posting to different social media platforms, it's even more useful because you now have a centralized calendar to track absolutely everything. Alright guys, now a third aspect of York AI that I really like is its ability to help you discover new opportunities within your niche. And so again, York AI is basically acting like a 24/7 digital employee that's always scanning the web, always scanning social media to look for opportunities for you to take advantage of with your content. And really, York AI does this in two main ways. The first is to find viral content ideas within your niche and highlight them so you don't miss out on them. For example, York AI found this viral X post about selling online PDFs, which is a super hot topic in the side hustle space right now. I can then have York AI create a draft post for me based on this viral post it found. And what's nice is that York AI again comes up with 3 examples. One of them is actually a direct response to this viral post that's a bit contrarian, which I love for getting engagement. So I had York draft this content for me right away and pushed it live to X. Now, what's also super cool is there's also an engagement tab within the opportunities section of York AI that you can also leverage to start growing faster on social media. And in the engagement tab, York AI looks for relevant pieces of content in your niche that you can engage with. This again helps you find ongoing trends, network with people in your niche, and build more engagement. And I also like this because you can copy comments York AI suggests for you and then comment them directly on this trending content. Or you can just like the post to again get the algorithm going a little bit more. Guys, this section is super easy to use, but it can make a difference for your business. And you can also toggle the auto discovery feature on so York AI is always scanning social media for new opportunities. Now guys, this is really just scratching the surface of what York AI can do, but it has so many other use cases and features, and honestly, for something that's in beta, it's really impressing me right now, and I'm already super excited to expand it for my own content businesses and to add it to different social profiles that I have. And again, if you want to sign up, you can just start chatting with York AI to get the ball rolling. You can ask it to come up with content ideas. You can tell it to make posts for you. Again, you can just chat with it and get creative, and it can honestly build some pretty cool things. York AI can also do things like find ongoing trends for you to create content about. It can provide you a weekly performance review of all of your social accounts, and it can help you plan out even more content in advance so you stay ahead of schedule. Again, you can really think of York AI as a 24/7 digital employee, and you can just throw tasks at it, see what it comes up with, and guys, I honestly think it will impress you because it's impressed me so far. What I also like is that York AI sends you automated morning reports and recap reports like I mentioned. So you don't need to dig through confusing data to understand how your social media efforts are going. And again, one more thing I'll mention, I really like that York AI does all of this hard work for you, but it still lets you actually review and approve content before it goes live. A lot of social media automation can get people in trouble when they remove guardrails, so I like that York AI still lets you actually stay in control and approve everything before it actually gets published. One other thing I'll mention is that York AI actually connects to messaging platforms like Slack, Telegram, and WhatsApp, so you can approve content from there. And so this also makes it easy to manage your social media workflow while you're on the go. But anyways, guys, that's kind of how York AI works and some of its main features and use cases that you can use to basically start growing faster on social media. Now, in terms of pricing, what's actually unreal is that right now York AI is 100% free. This is actually so refreshing to see for an AI tool, and honestly, it is super easy to set up. Like I mentioned, you just have to go to the Discord, get your access code, and you can set up an account in the next minute or two. It really is super simple, and once you start playing around with York AI, you'll see how it can actually help you grow your different social media accounts. And like I mentioned, I'll be linking York AI in in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check out. If you felt too busy to keep up with posting content, are missing out on trends, and feel overwhelmed with social media, I definitely recommend trying this out. And again, it's rare finding a free tool that actually works well and isn't full of bugs. And I honestly think York AI is doing something super cool when it comes to AI-powered social media marketing. I plan on expanding York AI to my YouTube channel soon and a couple of other platforms, so I'm super excited. And guys, I think you'll like using it as well if you're trying to grow faster on social media without doing all of the hard work yourself. Hopefully this review and tutorial has been helpful, and if you have any questions about how York AI works or how you can get started, let me know down in the comments as well. I read every comment, guys, and I will get back to you. But yeah, that does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for the support. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week. I'll catch you guys in the next one.